Hello everyone, this is Julissa Escoto from Julissa's Book Garden and I'm so excited to share with you. Are you ready? Drum roll. Woo! I have this amazing book to share with you and it's called Drawing Cartoons. That's right. If you have an older child, a teenager, or a young adult at home, or yourself, if you love to draw, if you love art, this is an amazing book to draw cartoons. Now, if you or your children like to do comics, this is so good too. So it's called Drawing Cartoons and it has QR links where you can download even more images so you can keep working on it. So let me go just like this so you can pick inside. So much fun. And I'm gonna read to you the back because it says that this is an innovative book brimming with amazing ideas for drawing cartoons. That's right. And it has step-by-step instructions to show you how to create all types of characters, superheroes, animals, animation, comics. So much fun. So I'm going to read to you a little bit about the table of contents so you know what's inside the book. It's right here. And it says it covers expressions, different faces, drawing bodies, cartoon clothes. Let me move it a little bit back so you can see. Cartoon creatures, cartoon animal characters, animal barn dance, inking and shading, cartoon color, painting scenes, color effects, moving bodies, body language, comic strips, speaking and thinking, chasing and racing, stretching and squashing, cartoon antics, perspective, superheroes, villains, animation, computer drawing, you guys. Computer cartoons, computer comic strips, drawing from life, a gallery, and the index. So good. I mean, this book is so complete with lots of information for drawing and to make comics too. So helpful. So this is how you get started right here. So you can take a peek. Just let's flip through a few pages because this is so much fun to take a peek inside the books, right? I love it. So here's different faces. And let me show you a couple more. Here are the bodies. So if you have an artist at home, someone who loves to do comics or wants to learn how to draw cartoons or do their own comics, this is a great book that you can gift them, that you can share with them and learn and have so much fun. Let me go a little bit to the back to show you just a little bit more. Here are the color effects. And let me know in the comments if you are an artist yourself, if you have children or students who like to draw, who want to learn how to do cartoons, or here's, for example, the comic strips right here. Again, this has step-by-step instructions so you can do this. So this is so much fun. And I wanted to share with you since we are talking about art and drawing and comics. So this is Drawing Cartoons. Remember, with the QR links for downloadable images so you can even do more beyond this book. How fun is that? Yay! Happy reading, everyone, and happy drawing.